All right, so I want to do this quick little video. Don't mind all the workspaces, don't mind all everything, because I was pretty busy, but I just want to make a quick little video on my current settings for OBS because I've been tinkering with OBS for I want to say like 2-3 weeks to get the good settings. I've seen a lot of videos, and it's just a bunch of people on in their gaming chairs with the RGB lights going crazy and the mic and the setup, and they're all trying to make a cozy like thing, and then they give you, hey, this is the best settings, this is what you should toggle. But I mean I might as well make a video like that. I don't have face cam because I don't really, I don't I just like having sort of a voiceover. But anyways, we're gonna go through our OBS, or my OBS. I don't know why I said R. Anyways, we're gonna be going through the my OBS settings. Wanted to show people because I looked on the internet and it was all Windows videos for OBS. Not a lot of links, videos, and GPU acceleration it's a huge part of OBS. I'll probably put this in the start of the video, but it's a huge part of OBS in streaming or recording any or any video for your desktop. And there's a lot of Windows videos out there, but I just want to make a quick little settings guide for anybody that needs that likes recording on Linux, or just uses OBS. So I'll pull up a NeoFetch. I'm running Linux. I have a AMD Radeon RX 500X with a Ryzen 3600. Don't know if you need to know that, but you do now. Anyway, so these are the settings for all of OBS. I'm using the standard one in the Arch, in the main Arch repositories. I don't know if this one has the what's it called? I don't know if this one has the browser, or if, because I saw a video, I think it was Brody's video, and he was talking about how the main one is weird for Arch and the Arch repositories. But yeah, anyway, so all of this right here, this is just a theme. That's why I have the transparency, because I set my QD theme with what's it called? Povantum Manager. And I just got a Dracula theme for there. I'll probably try to remember to put a link in the description for that, for the theme that I use anyway. And all of this doesn't really matter, or it's just up to you, I guess. If you use studio mode, if you want to snap your things, and then system tray stuff. Stream. I haven't streamed yet. Maybe in the future, but yeah, this is really what you want. The output in the video is really what makes your streaming experience or video recording experience a lot better. I do recommend using hotkeys. These are my hotkeys: start, stop. I have them as Control Alt because I never really have any other hotkeys except OBS, and I could hotkey between my different I can hotkey in between my different scenes over here. My cam, which I said earlier I don't really use. My filler, just in case I want to hide my screen and not have anything. And then my main, which is basically just what you're seeing right now. And then my mic, I can mute my mic at any time. I want to get a better mic, so I can just have a mic button and then have a mic stand. That's a whole different thing. I'm using, like I said this earlier, or in a different video, but I'm using like a $30 Amazon mic. Start recording, stop recording, pause recording, enable preview, which is basically just this, right? So if I want to preview or I don't, I can just change it from there. All that, just hotkey stuff. But this is the meat and potatoes, the output and the video. So you want to make it FFmpeg VAAPI. I have a Radeon graphics card right now. I don't know how it is on NVIDIA. NVIDIA's not that good on Linux anyway. So if you do have a AMD card. So if you have an AMD card, then you should probably be using your graphics card to encode your videos, or record them, because the CPU is not really what you want. All this stuff I kept the same as, except the bitrate. Everything except the bitrate is really what you need. You can set it up to 6,000 is good. 10,000 is a bit overkill. Anything above 6,000 is pretty much overkill. But if it's under 6,000, try to put that up. And then if you really have high-end hardware, then you could crank this up to 10,000 or maybe 15,000. But 6,000 is good for me. I record to 720p now, because even at 6,000 bitrate, I couldn't really put it up anymore. So 6,000, it works for me. And okay, onto the video section. The video section, you want to make sure 1920 by 1080. You want to make sure these are probably the same. If you want to use the downscale filter, I use bilinear because it's the fastest. But if you're not scaling, so basically if this was 1920 by 1080, and then you have the output as a 720, let's say, then you can get away with then you probably should use a different downscale filter. But if you use the same one, bilinear is by far the best option. But if you are scaling down in a unique setup and you know what you're doing, then you probably should change your downscale filter. And FPS values, it depends on what you're trying to go for. So for me, I like having snappiness in my videos. When I'm gaming or recording my gameplay, I want the fastest gameplay I can get. So I try to keep it at 60. But if you're not really gaming or showing off a high 60 FPS video, then you could change this down and it will be better for your computer. 1920 by 1080 was a little bit too much for my computer. Even at 6,000, I tried lower bit rates, but then it ended up, if you saw my older videos, it was a lot blurry, and I couldn't really find the fix for that. Even if I had the bitrate low, then it would just come out. You have the problem of, oh, it's just a low bitrate, right? Turning the actual resolution of the videos down, and that helped a lot. So now everything's a lot snappier. My mouse doesn't go here, like it doesn't go 1 frame per second, basically what I'm trying to say. This could probably go higher. If you look up 16 by 9 aspect ratios, I could crank this higher, but 720p, it's fine, it's readable. And it's not like we're recording actual nature footage or anything like that. So yeah, these are my OBS. So yeah, if you liked the video, and if you have anything to say, leave it in the comments, and make sure to subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. And if you're on Odyssey, then shout out to you. I like Odyssey. But yeah, pretty much a quick video. I don't I don't really have any scripting or any effort. I just showed off my settings. I was gonna make a different video, but I kind of cheaped out and made this one because it's obviously late, and I just wanted to show people, because I looked on the internet and it was all Windows videos for OBS, not a lot of links videos, and GPU acceleration is a huge part of OBS. I'll probably put this in the start of the video, but it's a huge part of OBS in streaming or recording any any video for your desktop. And there's a lot of Windows videos out there, but I just want to make a quick little settings guide for anybody that needs that likes recording on Linux, or just uses OBS. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I will see you all later. Bye.